Do you need a reliable dumpster rental service? Look no further than Freedom Dumpsters. We deliver comprehensive and efficient waste disposal solutions, ensuring your environment remains clean and clutter-free. Whether you're undertaking a home renovation, managing a construction site, or organizing a community cleanup, our dumpsters can handle any project size. Freedom Dumpsters is committed to making your waste management process seamless and effective. We focus on convenience and affordability with flexible rental options to fit your needs and budget. With a simple phone call or visit to our website, you can quickly arrange for a dumpster to be delivered to your location, ensuring minimal disruption to your schedule. Our unwavering commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction is evident in every rental as we strive to exceed your expectations. For all your dumpster rental service needs, trust the name Freedom Dumpsters, which is synonymous with quality and reliability. Call us today at 463-271-8821 or visit our website at www.freedomdumpsters.com to book a dumpster that fits your project. Freedom Dumpsters, your ultimate solution for efficient waste management.